So if you guys take out your phones, scan this QR code. We're going to do a little bit of participation. I want to know a couple words. What do you think holds people back from participating? So we see fear, introversion, shy, lack of confidence. Yep, they don't want to be wrong. Life responsibility is a great one. It's a great word here. They don't feel safe. Right? So we're going to talk about things and how do we build some of that psychological safety. Lack of experience is great. Sometimes there's groupthink. When we go through, this is in our experience, the different words that we've heard, and you see they're very similar to what you guys have put up there. You'll see fear of conflict. You'll see people talk about dominant personalities. I love the groupthink one, which is where people are like, well, what's the point? Everyone's going to do what they want to do anyway, right? So a lot of these are based in not having enough knowledge about what each other is thinking. And that's where we're founded in. All right, so here's a framework for participation. Not earth-shattering. There's probably things that you guys could think through. Communication, engagement, positivity, right? It's a good framework. And if we dig deep into that framework, there's a lot here, right? So a lot of these are strategic, not just tactical. But talking about effective communication, clear communication norms, encouraging visual and multimedia contributions, there's a lot in here, but what we're going to do today, just focus on just a subset of these. Now these are principles: encourage visual and multimedia communications, professional and inclusive language, simplified irregular check-ins. Time boxing discussions. It's a really good way to talk about equitable conversations, which we'll talk about in a minute. Diverse meeting formats, use of collaboration tools. I mean, especially with our work styles today, collaboration tools, pretty much everyone's using a variety of different things, I would suspect. Recognition and appreciation, it's a strong foundation, and team building activities. Now, tactics we're going to talk about will embody these principles in different ways, but we're going to give you 5 actual tools that you can use. So here's the 5 tactics, and we'll walk through them in more detail. So positivity, recognition and appreciation, we're going to start with that one. That's an important one. Once people start to get appreciated, and I think there was another session today if you guys attended, you get that appreciation and people start to feel more welcome, more of a sense of belonging. Simplified check-ins, you're probably doing one-on-ones, but we're going to talk about how you can enhance that. Some team building activities, now image sharing seems like a really simple thing. Everyone's going to share some images, you can kind of figure out what that is. But there's nuances and there's some techniques underneath that you can implement today that will really improve your team participation. Equitable voice videos are something that we feel very strongly about, but it's something you need to grow with so that you can have very deep conversations. And then professional inclusive language, we can talk a little bit about how you can use AI in this case. And a quick story, we have a person on our team, she's in Brazil and English is her second language, so not always easy to find the right words to say. So we'll delve into that a little bit.